Cool. I am your father. Cut them wires, you son of a gun. Quit standing around. Jesus. Well, you gotta throw it up in there. Some bitch you get caught on a tire and get ripped out and then it catch on fire and burst in flames. Then we'll be on the news. I don't want to be on the news. Not today. Not for that anyway. We're back, you wild bunch of American patriot, dirt banging, hardcore, freedom loving, bar brawling badasses. I went to the Farm and Family this morning, got some fittings, trying to make this maybe lengthen it. I don't know if we're gonna have what we need. Probably not. Then I gotta figure out a way. Oh, that's just wood. I figured that'd be a beam. They just made out of wood. I tell you this, I don't think this house was constructed very good. They didn't even bolt this stuff down. It was just nailed. I stepped on a nail yesterday and it went right between my toes. Got lucky. I was wondering here, god damn it, I'm gonna fall. If there's a pocket in there. I don't think it really matters much, that being wood. I gotta get all that. There's a pool table my wife was wanting. I think the first thing I'm gonna do is set over here, bring that stuff down. That is a bed or there. So I got Idaho and Blake coming tomorrow to get down in here and bring all this stuff over to us. I got $70 worth of fittings, and obviously I couldn't remember what size was what. That did not work. 80 bucks. Whoa, there's a nice little table. That's a nice little shelf.
Yeah.
It'd be crazy not to keep it. Well, why don't you flip over so you can roll it?
That's what I would think, but...
Takes a hillbilly to know what shit's worth, don't it, Cole?
I guess, yeah. Let's flip.
Right where that transformer is, run that sucker over. Yeah, come on back, that's good. Come on back. That's good. messed up. Man, it just loads like you're loading dirt. You give me that look. What the hell's your problem?
What?
She's loaded, boys. Outright. Hard steel and sex appeal. Look at that. Grab your cooler. You're staying with me. Don't give me no shit. You figuring this shit out yet, Cole?
What?
You figuring it out yet?
Yeah.
What the hell? The keep on walking. I almost sliced your cheek in half. You didn't even care, did you?
No.
It's a lot of sex appeal in there, ain't it? Did you get your cooler?
Yeah.
Hell yeah, you did. What time is it? It's 11:21. I think it's time for lunch. Okay, don't take it to lunch. Yeah. Fuck it. I keep looking up here and I keep seeing that thing. I keep thinking somebody's up here.
I did too.
I'm about to take that sun gun with me. You think they'll care? That's part of the demo, ain't it?
Yeah.
Let's go ahead and have our lunch. Ha! It's a liquid lunch. Ain't a big deal. Here's to you banging ass bastards. It's good. You gonna have a lunch?
I got water.
You gonna get on that saw and whack that beam in half too.
Alright.
Keep your shin intact. This stuff's about the color of on-road diesel fuel. Hammer, he don't mess around, does he? Need to grab the grease gun. That bucket's squealing. Yeah. There goes my hero. Has he been swinging a gator view?
I have.
Yeah. Okay, how many loads you thinking? That's what's that? That's
I think that makes 7 or 8. 7 or 8.
Go to the fridge, grab you one. Enjoy. And go to orschell.com, get the dirt hammers.
Here.
Don't hit that metal. Don't hit that metal.
What?
That metal beam, don't hit that.
Yeah.
Try not to hit any nails and stuff. That'd dog quicker than shit. Good thing them are cheap Amazon chains, because I see the sparks flying from here. After all these jobs, my dream finally came true. Found a safe. We got to see what's in it. You think this thing will hold $1 million? I don't know if we can get $1 million in there or not. Maybe. Feels heavy. Could be. There's got to be a lot of money in that. The money they spent on that thing. There's another gun case, Cole.
Yeah.
See if there's anything in there. There's got to be. Feels light. Nope. Let's see what our big jackpot is. Huh, nothing. Goal here is try not to let the stuff that's on this subfloor get down in the basement. There's a lot of stuff in the basement anyway. I'm not kidding you, I've been wanting a heavy bag, but I just did not want to spend the money on it. Still look at the damn beam. I tell you, these 2x12s or whatever, man, tough. I thought tougher would, but I can't remember when. Corralling everything into here to the garage, then I can run over it and use the dozer blade to crunch it up. And I'll tell you, that blade is handy. We must have had some detergent because it smells like we're doing laundry. I don't know about you all, but I've never had an excavator that the AC works with a crap. I got the windows up because I don't want to be sucking that dust. Man, I'm in there sweating. AC's on high. Let me know if you had any luck. I think it's because all the glass, just like a freaking sauna. I think the last time I got my other windows tinted, he said he could put some different kind of tint in it that reflects the sun and makes it cooler. So do that, and I'll have my AC guy come look at the thing. But I tell you what, and it ain't no $179,000 what I paid for it. So if I already got a scratch on a counterweight, I'm not like, oh my goodness, I got a heck of a deal on this one. Let me know what you think I paid for it. What I'm kind of thinking here, I'm gonna come over here, pull all this stuff off to a pile on the outside, because I don't want that to fall down and all this go into the basement. That's gonna make us work. If I could reach, you know, I mean, different if it was a walkout, I could get in there, but we'll see. Cool, I am your father. Cut them wires, you son of a gun. Quit standing around, Jesus. Yeah, them wires are holding everything. Cut them up there. There's only a few, yeah. Whack him, some bitches. Electric's not turned off, so if you get zapped, it's no big deal. You ever notice everybody wants us to text or call when you're doing the most hardest stuff or the most precise? So what I did, I drug it off. You're gonna see it first with me. Let's see what happened here. How'd it go?
I mean, there's a little bit of, we're gonna have our work cut out for us, that's for sure.
Oh, it's just on that pool table.
Yeah, I mean, yeah.
Makes it look. Still a lot of mess, ain't it?
Yeah. I'd say we'll have more than 15 loads.
Well, it looks like a bunch because it ain't smashed. Has stuff been flying out when he's been driving, taking the loads? Yeah. No? Yeah, one job there going. What the hell was that? Something was beeping at me. That one job they were going past him, and that's when we had the single axle. We'd leave the thing down and just put it in there. He said, "You gotta quit loading me so high." They're driving by me, beeping and blowing, you know, that finger at me. Hell, just throw that piece up over in there. Well, y'all, I think we're about done. It's 2:30. We got Idaho and Blake coming tomorrow. We're gonna get in that basement. I think Yeah, what he said. I think I'm gonna run grab a hose for that dumb. Stay tuned. Dirt Hammers. This is a for us thing. ShopOrschellX.com. New stuff on there. Dirt family.
I say
Like always.
Huh?
Colson, what you got for him?
I don't know. Keep banging them.
That's right.
Put that underneath there and let me see.
Hammer a bang on. They'll bang him to New York.
What are you trying to do?
New York, here he comes.
Now push it up.
Colston found him a good picture in there. He's gonna give to Blake tomorrow.
That motherfucker ride.
It won't
Well, you gotta
ride.
throw it up in there. Some bitch you get caught on a tire and get ripped out and then it catch on fire and burst in flames. Then we'll be on the news. I don't want to be on the news. Not today. Not for that anyway.